This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Emily Need. Welcome to this charming first-floor condo, perfectly situated in the sought-after Lynnhaven Shores. This beautifully updated unit features a bright and open floor plan, with modern enhancements to both the kitchen and bathroom. Ideal as a primary residence, vacation getaway, or rental property, it offers versatility for any lifestyle. The property comes with a short-term rental permit from the City of Virginia Beach, adding to its investment potential. Located near the serene Chesapeake Bay, this condo offers easy access to all the area's amenities and attractions. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. October 17, 2024. For more information, review the details below.